Verizon Fios offers high-speed fiber optic internet. Activating it involves setting up a fiber optic connection via an optical network terminal (ONT) and a router. Recent developments emphasize self-installation through enhanced kits and the My Verizon app, reducing reliance on technicians. Activation can now integrate with smart home ecosystems like Amazon Alexa and Google Home. The goal is a simplified automated process where devices auto-detect and configure. In most cases, you can activate Fios remotely using self-install kits and the My Verizon app. Begin with preparation. Check if Verizon Fios is available at your address using Verizon.com or the My Verizon app. Order your desired internet plan and you'll receive a self-install kit containing the optical network terminal, router, cables, and adapters. For equipment setup, locate the fiber jack on your wall. Connect the fiber cable to the optical network terminal's optical port and power it on. Then, connect an Ethernet cable from the ONT to the router's WAN port and power on the router. Now for activation. Download the My Verizon app or log in at Verizon.com. Go to Activate Service and follow the prompts. Scan the QR code on your kit or enter the serial numbers of the ONT and router. The system will test the connection and help you configure your Wi-Fi settings. Finally, test your connection. Run a speed test using tools like Ookla Speed Test or the Verizon app to confirm your speeds. Connect your devices and use the app's AI assistant if you need to troubleshoot any issues.